What's going on, guys? Greg here, and welcome back to the shop. In today's video, you and I are taking a closer look at a set of custom taillights for all 16 to 18 Camaros, perfect for owners that want to upgrade the lighting and appearance of their car. Now, they are built and designed by the team at Spec-D Tuning, and these are their sequential LED taillights with cherry red housing and clear lens, so let's check them out. So if you own a 6th gen Camaro and you have been searching for an effective and inexpensive way to upgrade its style, then look no further than these taillights from Spec-D. These LED sequential taillights are going to offer improved lighting and style all in one affordable package. You can pick up a pair of these LED taillights for your Camaro for only $375. Now, like I said, the lights that I have with me today are Spec-D's cherry red housing with clear lens, but this is only one housing color and lens option available. These taillights are also available with a chrome housing and smoked lens or a matte black housing with a clear lens, so you have plenty of options to choose from. Now, the color of the housing and the lens certainly does play a role in how a set of taillights can really change the attitude of your car. But the real game changer is always the lights themselves. This custom taillight from Spec-D uses only LED lighting for all of its functions. Now, for the running light, these thick LED bars illuminate in a menacing red color. And when you step on the brake, you get a quick flicker of the sequential function, and then all of these individual red LEDs illuminate brightly to let other drivers know that you're slowing down. But the real star of the show with these taillights is that sequential turn signal. Every single time you initiate your turn signal, you get a killer motion of amber light throughout those LED bars. Now, for some reason, you really love the style of these taillights, but you're not a fan of the sequential function, don't rule them out. Spec-D makes it easy to change these taillights from the standard sequential mode to the standard blink mode with just the flip of a switch on the back side of the housing. Now, speaking of making things easy, Spec-D also designed these taillights to be completely plug and play. That means no splicing or additional wiring is required to get these lights installed. Now, for the Camaro, the installation should take you no more than 30 minutes to complete using only basic hand tools. Start by removing the panel below the trunk latch, as well as each plastic panel on top of each taillight. Then pull the side panels to access the 3 nuts holding the taillight to the body of the car, loosen and remove them. Then pull gently on the taillight housing itself to remove it from the body of the car and unplug the connector. Now, you simply just plug in the single connector from the Spec-D light into the factory harness and then reverse the entire process to get the car back together, and before you know it, you're done. Then it's just time to take a step back and check out your killer new Spec-D LED taillights. Well, everyone, that is going to wrap up my review today of Spec-D's LED sequential taillights for all 16 to 18 Camaros. So if you've been searching for the perfect set of custom taillights to really set your Camaro apart from the rest, and you really like what you've seen here in this video, head over to carid.com right now to check out these taillights for yourself. And while you're there, feel free to browse through Spec-D's extensive catalog of other custom lighting to see what else they have to offer. As always, I'm Greg from carid.com, and I'll see you guys next time.